This is Vergalle, a Belgian family-owned company specialising in the treatment of steel coils. They used to have 3 2,500 litre containers which were emptied once a week. Then they installed 3 Mil-tek Model 306Es and they cancelled the containers, now stacking the bales until they have one complete truckload full. They're now used for fuel mainly in the brick industry. Now there are less internal logistics, there's a savings on labour costs, and it's made for a tidier workplace.